This next part is going to be extremely tricky. I've got to make sure all the water connections are watertight on the head, but I have two 90-degree angle fittings that get tighter as they're turned in. So what I've got here, it's very, very simple. The water is going to come in right here. No problem. It goes over to this bottom angle deal, and I'm going to have to get this and move it up to right here, where it's going to shoot water from the bottom into the top right here. These both have to be really tight. Then where did I leave that RPG? Gotta think about this for a minute. You get the hell out of my video too, asshole.